Welcome to Money Control's election wrap. Here are the top headlines of the day. Ahead of the polling in Kolkata Uttar, tensions rise within the ruling TMC. CPIM introduces new Lok Sabha candidates. Union Home Minister Shah predicts Congress President Kharge's removal, exempting blame on Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi promises the India bloc's reforms, while Priyanka Gandhi Vadra accuses PM Modi of toppling Himachal Pradesh government with financial power. So let's dive into the details of these political developments. The build-up to the Lok Sabha 2024 election in Kolkata Uttar Lok Sabha constituency has spotlighted an alleged internal struggle within the ruling Trinamool Congress. Reports suggest a clash between the old guard and the new faces as a push for rejuvenation within the party's upper ranks emerges. Abhishek Banerjee, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's nephew, has symbolized this shift towards youth and innovation in the party's approach to elections and politics. As the party's National General Secretary and a two-time MP, he is vying for a third term from the Diamond Harbour constituency. Despite this modernization drive, Mamata Banerjee maintains her connections with veteran party members, often forgiving their missteps and standing by them in their political struggles. In West Bengal, the CPIM is opting for a change by replacing seasoned veterans with a new wave of young faces. These fresh leaders emerging from student politics carry no burdens from the party's troubled past in governance. With Jadavpur University's strong leftist influence, the left front has strategically selected Srijan Bhattacharya, a leader from the Students' Federation of India, as its candidate from the Jadavpur Lok Sabha constituency. This move signals the left's aspirations for resurgence in the region. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge will lose his job after the Lok Sabha poll results are announced on June 4th. But Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi will not be blamed for the defeat. Union Home Minister Amit Shah said on Monday. Shah said Rahul Gandhi's people will also do a press conference post polls, saying they lost due to EVMs.
4 तारीख को दोपहर को आप देख लेना, ये राहुल बाबा के लोग प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करेंगे कि ईवीएम के कारण हम हारे। और खड़गे साहब आप भी समझ लेना, ये भाई बहन पर ठीकरा नहीं फूटने वाला है। ये भाई बहन पर ठीकरा नहीं फूटेगा, हार का ठीकरा खड़गे साहब पर फूटेगा और उनकी नौकरी जाने वाली।
Rahul Gandhi asserted during an election rally in Bakhtiarpur, Bihar, that if the India bloc is elected to power, they would eliminate the Agnipath scheme for recruitment in defence services and provide Rs 8,500 to every women's account monthly. He confidently stated that Narendra Modi would not return as Prime Minister due to the overwhelming support for the India bloc nationwide.
ये अग्निवीर में पता है क्या किया इन्होंने हिंदुस्तान के जवानों को मजदूर बनाया है। हम अग्निवीर को कैंसिल करेंगे और जैसे पहले हुआ करता था वैसे करेंगे। ये सच्चाई है अग्निवीर की। हिंदुस्तान का हर एक युवा जानता है कि अग्निवीर का मतलब हिंदुस्तान के जवानों को मजदूर बनाना है।
Priyanka Gandhi Vadra accused Prime Minister Narendra Modi of employing extensive measures including financial influence to destabilize Himachal Pradesh democratically elected Congress government. Speaking at a rally in Chamba while campaigning for Anand Sharma, the Congress General Secretary highlighted the BJP's rapid financial growth compared to the Congress's decades-long tenure. She asserted that despite being in power for 55 years, the Congress did not amass wealth like the BJP, which she claimed became the world's wealthiest party within just a decade.